Quickly and easily remove lead, powder residue, rust, water spots, tarnish, fingerprints, weathering, and more with a 100% eco-safe and definite shelf life FLITZ paste polish. Specially formulated to restore and protect stainless steel, nickel, plastics, wood, fiberglass, hot gun bluing, and so much more. Apply and buff off. It's just that quick and easy to bring your finishes back to new. Protect your investments today and FLITZ it. Looking to gain better accuracy from your firearms? Look no further. We have you covered with the FLITZ Bore Cleaner. Quickly and easily remove built-up lead, plastic wad, copper, and powder fouling, and more. The 100% eco-friendly, specially designed formula contains no ammonia, is non-abrasive, non-flammable, is non-foaming for no extra cleanup. Regain your pinpoint accuracy today with the FLITZ Bore Cleaner. Do you want to keep your firearms, knives, and archery equipment looking like new? Pick up a bottle of FLITZ Gun and Knife Wax. This easy-to-use wipe-on, wipe-off formula is safe on all finishes and protects against rust, water spotting, powder residue, fingerprints, dust and dirt, and more for months to come. When it comes time to cleaning, nothing works better at wiping down a finish than the FLITZ Ultra Thick and Thirsty Microfiber Polishing Cloth. Designed by the engineers at FLITZ to be one of the thickest microfiber cloths on the market, the extremely absorbent polishing cloth gives a great streak-free performance on any surface and is designed to be used wet or dry. So stop buying those throwaway microfibers and pick up one that lasts for years to come.